Okay, y'all, I'm actually heading to the room. I think they're open now. We get our room keys and that kind of thing. So I'm heading down there now. This is a beautiful. It's very different from the other ships I've been on, but it's very, very nice too. Of course, it's Italian themed. So let me show y'all some of this. So y'all see some of the beautiful art on the walls. Beautiful art on the walls. And they're, of course, still getting, of course, some of the rooms clean and getting some things done, bringing luggage and that kind of thing as well. Oh, sorry. So, where am I at? Down further. So, like I said, mine is $13.75, y'all, but I'm still walking. We only at $13.49, so we still getting there. Oh, no. Like I said, there's what floor is that? Okay. What did I say it was? 13.75. Oh, here's 13.75. Okay. Oh, the door's open actually. Oh. Oh, okay. I guess. Oh, okay. I guess I can come in then. Okay. Okay. Let me see if I can get these lights on, y'all. I gotta get the. Hold on, y'all. I gotta get the thing open. So let me. I don't know what card this is. I really don't know. All right. Oh, there it goes. I'm like, what am I supposed to do? Okay. Y'all, I don't know. And they're talking. I can't talk. The TV on. Oh goodness. Okay, let me. Okay, I can't turn this down. Okay. Okay, y'all. I'm just gonna have to be right back because it's a lot of this TV talking. They talking. I don't know what's going on, so I just cut it off. I'll be right back, y'all. All right, y'all. I am back. I'll put it that way. So let me go ahead and give y'all a room tour, y'all. So I can go ahead and get this part done. Like I said, I'm in room 1375, and of course it's Carnival Firenze. And on the back of your door, just like all hotels, you're gonna have the safety things of what your muster, what to listen out for, how the drills sound, how to put on your safety jackets, and all those types of things. Like I said, that's on every hotel. Well, all the safety stuff is on the back of hotel and cruise doors. I'm sure trains, I'm sure as well. And when you first come into the room, of course, your card has to go into this is the front door right here, but your key card has to go into here and to this slot in order for the lights in the room to work. So now let's go ahead and see. Goodness gracious. Ooh, that was so loud, y'all. So loud. All right now. Uh, this is one of the closets here. Okay, it's my little dance, y'all. All right now. This is the closet that's in here. I don't have a balcony room. I don't have a window in here either. I just have an inside cabin. This is actually on the first floor, your very first floor. The bottom of the floor is as bottom as you can go. So like I said, I don't have any of those kind of amenities, and that is okay for me, y'all. Trust me on that one. This is the safe that's in here in the closet. I mean, in this closet as well. And then you, of course, have some life jackets up there, too. And then you, of course, have 3 drawers all down here. You can put all your stuff in, or most of your stuff in if you want, or you can hang it up with the hangers. That is up to you, because I'm going to hang mine up probably and put it in the drawer, too. Okay. Okay. And this is the room, y'all. Like I said, I do not have a window, balcony, anything like that in this particular room. I did not want that. I chose the cheapest room that they had. So that's the cheapest room they had, and that's what I'm going with. That was the cheapest price for me at this present time. So here I am again, y'all. I'm just kidding. Okay, but you have, of course, like your menu. If you want to order room service, just keep in mind there is a fee. And of course, there's a phone. Oh, and of course, a sign, no smoking. I don't smoke or anything like that, so that's fine with me. And you have your little snoozing card as well. Let me turn up this heat because it's chilly. It's really chilly. It's like 60 degrees outside and rainy. So I'm turning up my air to a little bit of the heat, y'all. It's kind of chilly, but it is all digital. You can go as far as down as you want and up as you want as well. And like I said, here's the TV. I just cut that TV off because I'm like, oh my God, it was so loud. I couldn't hear the TV and they were talking. I'm like, Jesus, what is going on up in here? And this door, I believe it connects to another room. Yeah, it connects to another room. So whoever's over there, Godspeed, I guess I put it that way. But hello, y'all. Uh-oh. And all the rooms come with, of course, if you want to get some water, just keep in mind these bottles of water are $5. The cups are, of course, the glasses are free. But, of course, the bottles of water are $5. I don't have to worry about that because I brought my own little, I bought me a water container at Ross's yesterday. And here's the fridge for the room. It does not have a microwave, but it does have a small fridge. And then there are some towels, of course. Take me out, sun needed. These are the beach towels. And of course, make sure that you bring those back, because if not, they're going to charge you. I think they're $25 if you do not bring those towels back, y'all. And like I said, this is the thing for the luggage to sit up on the bed if you want to put it on the bed. And like I said, this is the beautiful bed, y'all. Next to here, they actually have a little desk that you can put stuff in if you want. Let me turn these lights on. Y'all probably can't see a doggone thing. And this little thing is coming off. Let me put this on here. Or maybe that's how it goes. Okay. My bad. Okay. But like I said, this is like a little desk over here. Not desk, but like a little shelf, I guess. Shelf and desk. It's over here on this side, y'all. It's the same thing on this side as well. Let me cut this light on so y'all can actually see. There we go. Cut this on, and it has a beautiful, the whole wall is like a mural. That's really pretty, y'all. And like I said, there's, this is the desk that was over here where I was actually standing dancing with the phone at first. I should have showed y'all that at first, but I moved on to the other side. But here's the desk, of course. It has, of course, the blow dryer, pen, pencil, and paper. And then you have, of course, a stool that you can sit on, do your makeup on in here, that kind of thing, too. All right, let's go on into the bathroom, y'all. The bathroom. Uh-oh. Oh, just cut the light off, okay? Okay. Oh, I'm loving these glass doors, y'all. Gosh. I'm loving the glass doors, y'all, all right now. So this is the bathroom, y'all. Like I said, the bathroom, you can do what you got to do in here and get your butt out. I put it that way. Let me step back so y'all can get a whole view of kind of how the bathroom looks. Like I said, of course, there's your toilet. Toilet tissue, the showers over here on this side. And, of course, your vanities over here on this side as well. And like I said, it does have, of course, your shelving units if you want to put your toiletries up there and that kind of thing. This is a beautiful marble looking sink. I love that, y'all. And it has more shelves over on this side too, y'all, if y'all want to use it. All right. And of course, towels are already in here, of course. Towels and all that kind of stuff. Like I said, your toilet, all the basics that you need for anybody's bathroom, I put it that way. And let me go ahead and open up this shower. I'm loving this glass shower, y'all. I'm loving this. Look at this bad boy. I love this. And it is a removable shower head as well. You can sit it up there. So I'm 5'2". I'm 5'2", so it probably, somebody that's probably 6 foot, I'm sure could fit up in here. My hands, I can't touch the ceiling, so I don't know how tall or how far my hand goes, but like I said, you can. Somebody probably 6 foot could fit up in here too, I'm sure. But like I said, definitely, this is the shower, and of course it always has the shampoo, shower gel. It always has that, so I don't have to usually worry about bringing that kind of stuff. I'll bring bar soap, but just not that, so like I said, definitely, this is nice. I'm liking this, y'all. Now I can't get out the shower. There we go. Can't get out the shower. And as always, you got your Kleenex. And then, of course, down here, there's your little area for like your little trash can right up under the sink, y'all. So like I said, this is nice. Oh, you have your, I don't usually show the makeup mirror, but they do have a makeup mirror because I don't usually put on makeup, but they do have one. Here it is right here, y'all, the makeup mirror. There's the makeup mirror, y'all. And my luggage hasn't come. Of course, my luggage hasn't come yet, but they're in the process of doing all that kind of stuff right now, too. What's that noise? I'm not sure what that noise is. I hear something. Something's in my eye, too. But like I said, definitely they have, to my knowledge, haven't got my luggage yet, and that is definitely okay. Let me look and see. Because you see others may have theirs, but of course, and some are still coming down the hall and stuff like that. But like I said, definitely, they usually let you know they'll bring it between about, I guess before about 5 o'clock. They'll have it outside for you, outside your door. If you gave it to the porters to bring to your room so you wouldn't have to carry it, which I did this time. I wasn't going to, but I did this time too. So I wouldn't have to carry it around and all that kind of stuff. And let me kind of show y'all. And it's in the Carnival app too. My app, for some reason, I still haven't gotten all the fun times, all the stuff that's supposed to go on in the evening. I'm not sure what's going on with that, but that's all right. Oh, it's probably because I have to get the Wi-Fi on my phone. Because I gotta have a Wi-Fi package, so that's probably what it is. So I'll get that as soon as I'm off here. But of course, we have a letter just saying thank you, dear Carnival guest. Of course, some of the things that's what you can and cannot do, curfews, stuff like that too. And tomorrow we actually have Catalina Island. We have a water shuttle that we have to take up onto the island. So that's going to be awesome. I'm sure I'll read this too. And here's the fun times. All rooms get these. The fun times is all the activities that's going on this whole entire ship, all day, all night long. I put it that way. So, like I said, you'll always get those, and they have all this entertainment and all this kind of stuff going on. Like I said, I will definitely be going to do some of these things, and I'm going to take y'all along with me too. So, let me go ahead and get my phone set up with this Wi-Fi, y'all, so I can go ahead and start using this doggone app right. So, y'all, like I said, I'll see y'all again shortly. I'm not sure what I'm getting into, because it's a mess out there, y'all. People are trying to get their luggage, and they're delivering luggage, and all this stuff going on, because like I said, usually your first day on the cruise ship, as soon as you get there, it can be a madhouse sometimes. With the staff running around, the staff trying to get stuff prepared, the staff trying to get the luggage down here, the staff trying to make sure all the rooms are clean. Then we running around trying to put our stuff in the rooms while they're trying to clean rooms, and they close it out for us, all that kind of stuff. So like I said, definitely can be a madhouse sometimes. But just keep in mind that that's usually the first day, but after that, it's smooth sailing, y'all. So, like I said, I'll see y'all shortly. I don't know what I'm getting into. I got to read this fun times to figure out. I will let y'all know when I get there. So come on along with me again, y'all. Like I said, once I leave this room. And y'all, I just realized that I did not tell y'all where the plugs were in the room. So I'm on the side of the bed. There is a USB plug over here, and also the light control too for the room. And there is, let me see if there's one on the other side, y'all. I don't know if there's one on the other side or not. I didn't think it was. No. So there's more up here. Here's my cute little water bottle. But here's more up here. This is a European. How you turn the lights on up here? I don't know yet. We'll figure it out, y'all. Don't turn the lights on yet. But here's a USB European. Here it is right here. The lights. Lord Jesus. Like I should have knew that. All right, y'all. Here's there's a European charger. Then there's some more, of course, plugs and that kind of thing, and USB ports up here. Like I said, I'll have to use my phone on the other side of the bed, which is fine. I put my charger on that side. I'm definitely fine with that. That is fine with me. There's two of them up there, and there's two of them over here. And then there's two actual plugs over here too. Then the other, I think that's a European plug too. So like I said, y'all, I want to make sure I showed y'all that, because they do have the plugs for your cell phones. I did get the Wi-Fi package. You don't have to buy the Wi-Fi package, but that means you can't use your phone. So, of course, I upload stuff and do videos, so I had to make sure that I, of course, had the Wi-Fi package while I was on here. So I do have that. But I think it was like $21 a day, I think. It was something like that. So it was like about $125 for the whole 5 days I'd be on here. I put it that way for the Wi-Fi package. So that's that, y'all. So, like I said, I realized that before I looked at the actual activities for tonight, but I will look at that and I'll get myself going to somewhere so I can take y'all along with me too. So, let me go ahead and start looking for some activities, y'all.